Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the intriguing world of Mspy, a powerful and somewhat controversial app. We're going to explore how it functions as a spy app for both iOS and Android devices. Some people swear by Mspy, claiming it's the best spyware out there. But let's get real. There are valid reasons to use it, like if you're a parent looking to keep an eye on your child's online activities, or you're worried about your partner's phone usage. Also want to keeping tabs on company phones if you're an employer. In this video, we're going to break down all its important features, its installation process, and whether is it safe and worth your money. Plus, we'll also discuss its pros and cons so you can decide if it's something you want to use. I tested Mspy on my own phone for this review, and I'm just sharing my experience on its performance. If at any point you decide to try Mspy, you can use link in the description below and get a discounted package. After installing Mspy, accessing a ton of data through their account dashboard became really easy. I let it gather info for a few days and then checked it out. I was pretty amazed to see that every message, call, Google search, and location was neatly listed under different tabs. Bit a little strange too. The only thing missing was actual phone call audio, but it had details like who I called and how long we chatted. Plus, it captured everything I typed for better or worse, and even deleted text. Mspy uses keylogging software to basically record every button press and takes regular screenshots, giving you a clear picture of how the phone's being used. If you're into backing up your phone or keeping track of all your communication, Mspy could be handy. Now, while it's marketed as parental control software, some expected parental control features are missing. You do get location tracking and a basic web filter, but you have to manually add sites. However, one thing Mspy nails is tracking social media. It covers almost all the popular apps, from Facebook to WhatsApp and even Snapchat. For those it doesn't track directly, its keylogger and screenshot features still give you a good idea of what's happening on social media. To install Mspy, click link in description below and pick a plan that suits your needs. For monitoring one device or up to 3 with the family package, you've got 3 plan options: 1, 3, or 12 months. There's a discount for your first purchase. Here's the deal. 1 month for one device is $70, discounted to $49 for the first purchase. 3 months is $40 per month, and with the discount, it's under $28. The best value is the 12-month plan, coming in at $17 per month, discounted to $12 for the first year. These plans cover either iOS or Android and include all the premium features of the Mspy app. Now, if you want to go all out, there's Mspy Extreme. This gives you full surveillance power, like being able to activate the target phone's mic and control its camera remotely. This subscription comes in 1, 3, 6, or 12-month plans. As spyware goes, it's pretty solid, especially if you're willing to pay extra for the extreme features like accessing the phone's mic and camera. They've got tons of info on how to install the app onto the target phone and cover your tracks afterward. I tested it out on my Android, and it was super easy. Took me less than 20 minutes. But there are a few important steps to follow for it to work right. First, you have to tweak the phone settings to allow software from unknown sources. Then, you download and install Mspy by description link. Once the app's open, it guides you through the setup process, and you're good to go. For iOS, you don't need to install anything on the iPhone if you've got the user's iCloud info, like their Apple ID and password. Mspy just syncs from their iCloud accounts. One more good feature of Mspy is it works in stealth mode, so it's unlikely the person being tracked will notice the app. The location tracking is also pretty accurate, and the geofencing function lets you define areas your target shouldn't be in and alerts you if they go there. There's plenty of support available on the website, plus customer service is on standby via live chat, email, or phone. If you need extra help with installation, you can pay $13 for personal phone support with the Support Priority line service. How does Mspy stack up against its competitors? When it comes to pure spying capabilities, similar apps like iKey Monitor and Umobix are in the ring. All 3 allow real-time GPS tracking of the target phone's location, but Mspy shines in social media monitoring, providing more comprehensive coverage. It also offers more detailed insights into text messages and calls, although it's less focused on web filtering compared to iKey Monitor and Umobix. iKey Monitor has the edge in Gmail monitoring for both Android and iOS, while Mspy's email records are more reliable on Android than iPhones. iKey Monitor's monthly plan subscription costs a bit less than Mspy, but Mspy packs in more spying capacity. Umobix comes with a keylogger feature, but it operates slower than Mspy and falls short in terms of social media, location, and call tracking. Its single monthly subscription is more expensive than Mspy's, but Mspy offers more flexibility with additional features and family plans available as add-ons. Overall, Mspy holds its own in the spyware arena. Its wide range of activity tracking and comprehensive record collection, accessible through the Mspy web portal and a user-friendly dashboard, makes it a standout choice. Click the link in the description below and start monitoring.